Come on, for that, we will continue with the problems. Today, we will finish all the types of routes array problems. And from tomorrow, we will begin with the next part of the unit number 3. So, I will write the equation for which we have to find out range of value of k as we have done last time. Okay, so what is the equation? Equation is s into bracket s cube plus 4s square plus 2s plus 3 plus k into s plus 1, which is equal to 0. This is the characteristic equation given to us for finding out the values of k, so that given system is stable. Given system will become stable. So what I am expecting now, you should give the answers and I will proceed for solving the problem. So what will be the first step? Initially, we have to simplify the equation because there are some brackets. So multiplying with s inside the that bracket. So what you will get, s raised to 4, s raised to 4 plus 4s cube plus 2s square plus 3s plus ks plus k is equal to 0. So what you will observe here, this is 3s, this is ks. It has same coefficient, that is s. So what I can do, s raised to 4 plus 4s cube plus 2s square plus 3 plus k into bracket s plus k is equal to 0. Now this is our equation number 1, to which we will apply the routes array. So beginning with that, tell me what is the first element of row 1. So we are having here s raised to 4. What are the elements of row number 1?
1,
1, then
2,
2 and
k, k,
k, correct. Then s raised to 3 will have, I will write 4 and
p plus k.
yeah, 3 plus k, or we will write k plus 3. Okay, so this is our starting of routes array. Then how we have to find out s square? For finding out s square, are you remembering the steps? So what we are doing?
4 into 2 minus
4
1
into
into k,
2 minus 1 into
1
k,
into
k plus 3 divided by,
4,
means I will write once again in detail, 4 into 2 minus 1 into k plus 3 divided by 4. So what will be the answer? What will be the answer? Hmm? What is the answer? 4 multiplied by 2 is 6.
5 minus k by 4.
5 minus,
K by 4.
or 5 minus k, like this, no? 5 minus k by 4,
Yes,
like
whole by
this,
4.
no? Whole
Yes.
by 4. Correct, correct. Then the next term, what we have to do? 4 multiplied by k, 1 multiplied by 0. Means 4 multiplied by k divided by 4. So here it will be 4 multiplied by k minus 1 multiplied by 0, which is equal to what? What answer will be there? Answer will be 4, obviously, because 4k divided by 4, it will be 4. So we got the next row. Then s raised to 1 I want. So for that, what will be the
Sir, the
multiplication?
K आयला पाहिजे.
Sorry. It will be k. 4 and 4 will get cancelled and k will remain. Now, this multiplied by this multiplied by this. So it will be little bit complicated. Just tell me what will be the answer. I will write in detail once again. It will be 5 minus k whole multiplied by 4 multiplied by k plus 3 minus 4k and whole divided by 5 minus k divided by 4. Is it correct? If we solve, it is not necessary to solve, or you can tell me the answer after solving this. What is getting? What are you getting? Tell me answer. That will be s raised to 1. I am waiting for answer. So what is the answer? S raised to 1 by making the simplification. So what answer you are getting? No answer.
K plus 3 minus k upon 5 minus k.
Once again, I will write. What is the answer? Tell me once again.
K plus 3
K plus 3
minus k upon 5 minus k.
K upon 5 minus k. Like this? Like this? I have written correctly, no?
Yes, sir.
Because why I'm asking you? Because I have not solved that. I have kept like that only. Okay. Then s raised to 0. Last step. Last step. Okay. What is the answer? S raised to 0. So it will be multiplication of this with this and this with the 0. Divided by that all the terms, that is k plus 3 minus k upon 5 minus k, like that.
Hello, sir. It is 16k पाहिजे minus 16k.
So where here
K plus 3 minus 16k upon 5 minus k.
16k. Okay. Whatever. Tell me answer for s raised to 0. If you get the answer for s raised to 0 correct, then I can say this answer is correct. What is the answer of s raised to 0? I'm not writing that step. I want now answer from you, because this is almost 7th or 8th problem that we have learned. Only we have to make the cross multiplication and find out the answer. that is what value of s raised to 0 you are getting. I will do one thing parallel with you, that is by keeping s raised to 1 as it is, what will be the consideration, that is 5 minus k divided by 4 multiplied by k plus 3 minus 4k divided by 5 minus k divided by 4, this multiplied by k minus 5 minus k upon 4 multiplied by 0 divided by 5 minus k divided by 4 multiplied by k plus 3 minus 4k divided by 5 minus k divided by 4. So this will 0, this will get cancelled with this, only k will remain. Same thing will happen also if we consider this term, whatever you have found, that is k plus 3 minus 16k divided by 5 minus k multiplied by k minus 5 minus k divided by 4 multiplied by 0 divided by again whole this term. So this term k plus 3 minus 16k divided by 5 minus k, again this term and this term will get cancelled, only k will remain. So the answer which you are getting is k. Is it clear? Am I correct or not? I don't know. I have done in front of you all the calculations. So we have now our routes array. What routes array's first row is saying, I will write once again. That is s raised to 4, s raised to 3, s square, s raised to 1, s raised to 0. So s raised to 4 is 1, I think 1, 4, 5 minus k, that is 1, 4, 5 minus k upon 4, s raised to 1, I will write as it is, 5 minus k upon 4 into k plus 3, then minus 4k divided by 5 minus k upon 4. I have just written same term, and s raised to 0 is k. So these are the terms. Now what I have to do, I have to find out the range of k. For stable system, all elements of the first column must be positive here. Means all should have same sign. So we will start from the row which is at the last, this row. What it is saying, we can conclude here s raised to 0 row. What we can write, k should be greater than 0. This is our first condition. Now s raised to 1. For s raised to 1 row, what we have to do, we have to make the simplification, that is s 5 minus k upon 4 into k plus 3 minus 4k divided by 5 minus k divided by 4 should be greater than 0. So how to make the simplification of this row? So what will be the answer after making the simplification? Now this work you have to do. So I will give the hint that 5 minus k upon 4 multiplied by k plus 3 minus 4k should be greater than 0. Denominator will get cancelled with the 0. So what will be the next step? We have to multiply the brackets. When we multiply with that bracket, what you will get? 5k plus 15 minus k square plus minus 3k divided by 4 minus 4k greater than 0. So to make the denominator same, we have to multiply it with 4 on the both sides, that is minus 16k, which is greater than 0. And this whole thing divided by 4, which will again get cancelled. So what you will get? 5k plus, after making the simplification or adding common terms, it will be 5k plus 15 minus k square minus 3k minus 16k greater than 0. And finally, what we will get? Minus k square minus 14k plus 15 greater than 0.
Hello,
So we
sir.
have to find out the roots.
Sir, minus 19k.
Just hold second. हेलो हाँ बोला
हाँ सर
तो
minus 3 minus 16 minus 19
minus 3 minus 19 k square 15 as it is 5k minus 3k 16 just check it out here. 5k is also
correct
there. 5k is also there.
Sir. और correct आहे.
16 so what will be the next step? All you check whether it is correct or not. If suppose there is any mistake in between, let I come to know. Cross check everybody. I am just solving. I don't have any specimen copy with me. I am just solving in front of you with you only. I may commit mistake. Check all the calculations. It is 14 or 15 or 19, what is coming? And if it is correct, then what we have to do? It is not 15, it is 14. And sign will also minus. Sorry. It is plus 15. So what we have to do next? How to find out the values of K? How to find out the values of K? What is the basic formula to find out the roots of quadratic equation that we have seen last time itself?
Minus b plus or minus.
Yes, perfect.
Under root square minus 4ac upon 2a.
Plus minus
Under
root
b square minus 4ac.
B square minus 4ac
4ac
divided
upon
by
2a.
Is this formula correct? Last 2 lectures before also we have seen the same formula, and you require this formula again and again. Then apply this rule here. So what we can write? We can write K should be greater than, first root is 14, that is B. This is A, this is B, and this is C. A is 1, B is minus 14, A is minus 1, B is minus 40, and C is 15. So 14 plus minus under root B square means 14 square. 14 square is 196 minus 4ac, minus 4 multiplied by minus 1 multiplied by 15. It is total coming plus 60. Okay, divided by 2a. 2a, a is minus 1 means minus 2. So K should be greater than this value. So what will be this value? After making the calculations, let I do. You can also do the calculations. So it is coming 14 plus minus 16, I think, divided by minus 2. Cross check, which is greater than or equal to, if we consider 14 plus 16 divided by minus 2, then it is coming minus 15. And if we consider minus 16, then minus 2 divided by minus 2, 2, it is coming K is greater than 1. Means, in other words, we can say K should be less than 15 or K should be less than minus 1. So this is the conclusion from row number S1, S raised to 1. And what we should know that K should be positive. If we consider this, K is less than 1, our consideration will move away. So only thing we have to consider that K should be less than 15. Our first conclusion was K should be greater than 0. Then second conclusion is that K should be less than 15. Now third. What is the third row? That is K, 5 minus K upon 4. That is S square. That is 5 minus K upon 4 should be greater than 0. It is simple. So what will be the possible range? 5 minus k should be greater than 0. Means k should be less than 5. Means it is coming again less than 15. Means at the end, what should be our answer as a conclusion? The value of k should be greater than 0 and less than 15. So this will be our concluding remark. Here our problem ends. So wherever there is k in the first row, that thing you have to keep positive. So you can see these are our rows. So this value should come positive. This value should come positive. Similarly, this should be positive. If we do so, then we can say the first column of routes array is having same signs, and hence we can say that there is no sign change and the system is stable. Like that also we have to solve the problems and make given system stable by considering the various factors. Then we will see one more problem. Little bit different. So what is saying, the unit feedback system has open loop transfer function g of s is equal to k into e raised to s minus s divided by s upon just a second. Okay, sorry for the interruption. The problem is like that: k e raised to minus s upon s square plus 5s plus 9. So what we have to find out, the value of k so that system is stable. So what we have to do, we have to find out the characteristic equation. Here, what is the condition? E raised to minus s. E raised to minus s, which is given in the problem, we have to assume e raised to minus s is equal to 1 minus s. This is the important step. This is the only problem where you will face such type of complications. E raised to minus s is equal to 1 minus s. So what is given? It is open loop transfer function. For open loop transfer function, what is happening? H of s is always equal to 1. And there is no feedback in that case, means feedback value is 1. So the characteristic equation of this will be 1. How we are writing the transfer function? You know that. Means suppose this is g of s like this, and it has unit feedback, means almost no feedback, that is h of s. So in this system, h of s is equal to 1. G of s is given. Then what is the formula to convert this feedback loop into transfer function? We have seen in the unit number 2 when we solve the block diagram. So what was the formula? What was the formula? G of S
G of S
upon
1
plus
1 plus G of S into
S
H of S.
into H of S. Sorry. So this is the formula. And if this is a transfer function, in this transfer function, whatever denominator is, that is our characteristic equation. So what we have to do, we have to find out characteristic equation, which is nothing but 1 plus G of S into H of S. So what is our G of S? G of S is this. That is, after making the conversion, what you will get, K into 1 minus S upon S into S square plus 5S plus 9. So that I will write once again. So what you will get, G of S is equal to K into 1 minus S upon S into S square plus 5S plus 9 multiplied by 1, because H of S is equal to 1. So which is equal to 0. So this is our characteristic equation. Let's make it simple. So what you will get, S into S square plus 5S plus 9 plus K into 1 minus S is equal to 0. So what you will get, S cube plus 5S square plus 9S plus K minus KS, which is equal to 0. So what you will get at the end, S cube plus 5S square plus, we can take together all the terms of S, that is 9 minus K into bracket S plus K is equal to 0. So this is our equation where we will apply the Raoult's array. So what you will get, I will do little bit fast now. S cube, S square. S cube terms will be 1. This is first, this is second, that is 9 minus K. Second term will be 5 and K. Correct me if I make some mistake. S raised to 1. S raised to 1, this multiplied by this, minus this multiplied by this, divided by 5. Means it is simple, 45 minus 5K minus K divided by 5, which is nothing but 45 minus 6K divided by 5. And S raised to 0 will be again, always it is coming K, remember. Because this multiplied by K divided by this multiplied by 0. So divided by whole divided by 45 minus 6K divided by 5, it will come K. So our rows are like this, S cube, S square, S1, S raised to 0. First row is 1, 9 minus K. Second 5, K. Then 45, 6K divided by 5, 0. And K, 0. Now we have to find out the values of K. So first row, that is, if we consider from down, S raised to 0, there is a K, and it should be greater than 0 to have positive sign. Then 45 S raised to 1, 45 minus 6K divided by 5 should be also greater than 0. Means 45 minus 6K should be greater than 0. So altogether what you will get? Okay, sorry. So what you will get answer? What is the answer? What is the answer? K should be 45 divided by 6. 45 divided by 6.
K should be greater than 7.5.
K should be greater than or less than? Greater than or less than?
Greater than. No, less than.
Greater than, if we say greater than means 100, 1000, whatever it may be, then use always this technique. If we consider K should be greater than 0, that is the first consideration. Then second limit will be something less than. If we write as per you, K should be greater than 7.5, then whatever K may be, infinite values greater than 7.5. So how to understand like this? So how to make like that? Minus 6K should be greater than minus 45, like this. So K should be 45 divided by 7. So what will be the answer? Fast. It should be less than 45 or greater than 45. It should be, K should be less than 7.
7.5.
So what will be the range now? 0, K, 7.5. So what will be the maximum value of K? Means there is one question at the end they have asked. Maximum value of K for stable system. They have asked question, what is the maximum value of K for stable system? What is your answer? That answer is the final step of this equation. Maximum value of K. What is the maximum value of K? So that system will be stable. Above that, system will become unstable.
Sir, it can be 7.4999 and so on.
Means you can say 7.5. You can say 7.5. Simply just to do check. If I put here 7.5, what will get the value of s raised to 1? It will be 6 into 7.5, it will be 45. 45 minus 45, it will be 0. And first row will become 0. And it is allowed. We know that what we have to do if 0 comes. Means if it is 7.6, what will happen? If it will be 7.6, the 45 minus the greater term than 45, and it will become negative. That column first of that Raoult's array, there you will observe the sign change. So that you have to take all the values in between 0 to 7.5, and maximum value is 7.5. And that will be our conclusion. Understood this concept? Is it clear or not? Is it clear? I am giving now one problem for you as a homework, which I need tomorrow. G of s is equal to K into bracket s plus 13 divided by s into s plus 3 s plus 7 h of s is equal to 1. So what it is given, write down, everybody write down, make screenshot, whatever. You have to solve this problem as a homework. And remember, this problem is saying like that. Here unit feedback system is there, means h of s is equal to 1. It is not given anywhere in the problem which is written. In the written problem, what is given? Unit feedback system has g of s like this, and by using Raoult's criteria, we have to find out range of k when system is stable. Okay, and there is one more point, second point, that I will discuss when you give me the answers of this, and that will be your homework. Is it clear what is your homework? Make the screenshot. What you have to do, I will just give the hint. Transfer function we have to find out. In that transfer function, 1 plus g of s into h of s, which is equal to 0. Transfer function you have to equate it to 0. Then you will get one equation. From that equation, we have to draw the Raoult's array, and from that Raoult's array, find out the value of, means range of k. Okay, maximum value and minimum value. That is your task. Is it okay? Because what we have to do, tomorrow we have to finish this as early as possible. This will be the last problem, and from tomorrow we are starting very much important point, that is drawing the root locus. Root locus is much important. On that, 116 marks big question comes. One problem has weightage of 16 marks. So that Raoult's criteria continues to root locus system. And remember, this is very much important point from the point of control system also, or automatic control system. Tell me if there is any doubt before we conclude the session.
No, sir.
Okay, so convey the message to all other students who are not in the lecture today, that from tomorrow we are starting very much important point, and it is very difficult to understand afterwards. One small concept is missed, because this Raoult's array and other things are simple one, not much difficult. So just percolate this message to present for the lectures in this week as well as the next week, because almost 3 hours will require to solve us one problem. Okay, by seeing all the rules, there are almost 15-16 rules which you have to apply. With this, I will conclude. I will stop the recording. Thank you. Good day and take care.